So you're chilling, no worries. Then, something starts. It might be someone approaching you. It might be someone getting loud with one of your friends. It might be a hit to the back of the head. Whatever it is, you weigh up your options. Can I talk my way out of this? Can I walk away? Can I run? All of this happens in a few moments. The fight happens when the answer is no, no, and no. Whatever the situation is, you conclude the best and only way of resolving it ends in blood. Congratulations, you just started a fight. There's one thing going through your mind: how can I cause this person or group of people as much damage and pain as possible? Everything else, your family, your job, your friends, your life, they all don't exist anymore. The whole world consists of you, your opponents, and the environment you're fighting in. Now what are you feeling? Well, fear, largely. You know that this could end in cuffs, hospital, or an early grave for you and the other guy. Anyone who says they aren't scared in a situation like this is either lying, or they have some serious issues. Hate, as well. You dehumanize the other guy. If you view him as anything more than a bag of blood that needs destroying, then you're done. Because if it's gotten to this point, you can be sure you aren't getting any mercy. The adrenaline hits you, and it's such a rush. You feel bigger than ever, but at the same time more exposed. Now, it comes to actually exchanging blows. By this point, pain doesn't even hurt in the same way. It comes as a cold sensation, neither pleasant or unpleasant. It just registers. Or not, sometimes you don't even know where you've been hit until after. Also, any dreams you might have about suddenly becoming Bruce Lee or Chuck Norris can be quickly discarded. You don't rise to the occasion. You sink to your training. If you've never learned how to fight, and you've never been in a fight before, you'd better hope that help is coming, because you're going to be swinging for your life and you will have zero coordination. Afterwards, you'll feel like hammered shit, 100% guaranteed. You'll be quaking with the after effects of the adrenaline. Your mind will be going 10 to the dozen about whether you're going to prison, whether you killed the guy, whether you're going to be hunted down and killed, how much damage occurred, and a million other not nice things. And then, the pain comes. It doesn't hit you all at once, but instead, it fades in until you can barely move. And the next day, it's even worse. And then you remember what you did, what you decided to do to another person. The blood over your hands, the thoughts of how can I cause this guy harm, maybe even the sound of bones breaking. And you need to reconcile all of this with the basic human belief that you're a good person. Good luck with that. And that's why I hate fighting. It ain't big, and it ain't clever. If you have any other option, take it. Fighting is for when your problems aren't going to go away by any better method. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please like and subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to get new video updates.